Hey, hello and welcome to today's GFG problem of the day. Hope you all are doing well. Let's see what the problem is trying to say is let's see through an example, right? So given a string BDAC, what the problem is asking is we need to check whether a string can be converted into a string containing a repetition of substrings of length containing a repetition of a substring of length k. So given the string, right? If this is a string given and the k given is 2, right? So what can be the substrings form from this string of length 2? BD and AC, right? These are the two substrings of length K, right, which can be formed. Now, what the problem is asking whether we can create a string, right? We can create a string, right, containing a repetition of a single substring, right? BD, right? So this is a repetition of a single substring of length K, right? The condition is length K, BD or AC, right? So what is the condition given? For example, we have two substrings now of length k, right? So the condition given is we can replace only one substring with another, right? We can replace only one substring with another to form the output, right? To form the string containing a repetition of substring of a substring of one substring of length k, right? So yes, we have two substrings now of length k, right? So we can either replace BD with AC or AC with BD, right? So this is possible, right? So let's see another example. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and G, H, I, right? And let's say K is 3. So we have substrings. We have how many substrings? There are how many substrings? There are 3 substrings. For example, A, B, C will consider one substring with frequency 2. D, E, F, sorry, 1, and G, H, I, 1. Now, since there are 3 substrings, right? So we can replace only one substring with another, right? Even if you replace this DEF, right? So what it will become ABC. So for example, this one, right? ABC, 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 and GHI. So here it is violating this. The resultant string is not a repetition of a single substring, right? GHI is different. So this cannot be converted. Will return 0. Another example is ABC, DEF, ABC, right? So here ABC frequency is 2, DEF is 1, right? DEF is 1. So this can be easily replaced with this, right? This can be easily replaced with this. So it will become ABC, ABC, and ABC, right? So we are able to form a string which is a repetition of a single substring of length k, right? And how we need to form the substrings? The condition also given is I, see the condition here, what it is given? I and J. I and J should be divisible by K, right? So we cannot simply start. So for example, ABC, right? We'll start here, right? So A is at position 0, 0, right? So it is divisible by K, definitely. So we can have this substring of length K. Then if we start from here now, B, right? B is at position 1. So we cannot have this substring of length K, BCD, because B is not divisible by K. That is the position of B is 1, right? It is not divisible by K. So we cannot have this substring BCD. We cannot have this substring. Okay. So we can have only substrings whose positions are divisible by K, whose starting position is divisible by K. Okay. So this is an example. So what we are going to do is simply, I'll tell you the intuition, right? What we'll do is we'll have a map. For example, A, B, C, D, E, F, and A, B, C, right? So we'll have a map. We'll be starting with each character, right? And which is divisible by okay, and we'll consider that substring whose starting position is divisible by k, right? For example, k is 3, right? So what we'll do, we'll put this in the map, the substring, right? So map will put ABC and first frequency will be 1. Okay. Then definitely this is not divisible by k. This position is not divisible by k. This is divisible by k, right? So what we'll do, we'll take this length, k length substring, and we'll put in the map. Frequency will set it as 1. Again, this is not position is not divisible by k. This is not divisible by k. We'll start with this, right? And ABC. So we'll increment the frequency 2, right? Now what we'll check is if map size is greater than 2, right? Map size, right? Size is greater than 2, we'll simply return 0. Because as I said, right? For example, if this was the case, GHI, right? GHI, right? So we can only replace one string with another string, right? So after replacing one string, so GHI will be as is, right? So it will violate, it won't form, right? ABC, and it will be GHI only. So it is violating the condition, right? That is, a string should be repetition of a single substring. So there are two substrings here. right? Two substrings here. So it is violative. So m dot size if it is greater than 2, in this case it is 3, right? So we'll return 0, else 1. And the base condition is n. The n, complete n, should be divisible by k, right? Then only this all is possible. So let's quickly see the Java code. So here is the Java code. See, if it is not divisible by k, n complete n, we're returning 0. Then we're taking a map, right? Map, and then what we're checking is the I should be divisible by k. If it is, we are taking the substring of length k, we are putting the map, right, and increasing the frequency. If the size is greater than 2, we are returning 0, else returning 1, right? This is Java code. Let's submit it. So it is accepted. I've implemented the C++ as well. So here it is same, right? Only the difference is the map declaration. Okay, so here's a map declaration, right? And the same, I should be divisible by k, chalking out the substring, and then incrementing the frequency. If size of map is greater than 2, then we're returning 0, else 1. So this is also accepted. I won't submit it. Okay, so I hope you have got the solution and the problem. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Have a happy, healthy, and a great day. Thank you so much.